The new GROK 4.1 beta has officially dropped, and it is changing the game by creating high-quality AI videos with completely free built-in audio. With this update, you can now perform surreal image edits instantly, and even turn simple hand-drawn sketches into a video feature. However, this tool is currently in beta. We don't know how long it will remain free, so you need to learn this workflow right now. I am Judith Spotless, and in this video, I will give you the complete step-by-step guide to mastering the new GROK AI. Let's dive straight in.
So first, if you don't have your GROK AI, you can download from your Chrome browser. So I have my GROK AI. This is how the interface looks like. Before we start, I want to off automatic video generation button. So I come to this place where my picture is on the GROK interface. I will click on it, then go over to settings. Click on the settings. I will click on behavior, then I scroll down a bit. See enable automatic video generation, so you turn it off. Then we go back. As we have turned it off, our video cannot generate automatically until we give it instruction to generate, and it will help you save some credits. So once you are in, make sure you click on GROK 4.1. So I will just type in a prompt. So we ask GROK to create a person walking across a floating sky bridge high above the cloud. We'll click on this arrow key. We'll wait for our image to generate. And guys, this is the result we have here. We'll pick one of the images that was generated by GROK. So I think I prefer this one. I'll just click on it. You can do a lot of things on this image. You can edit, you can change background, you can even make a video on this image. So first I will pick the creative option to modify the image. You have a lot of styles here. You can choose any of the styles you want. So let's choose this cyberpunk and see what it will give us. So this is what we have here. The background has changed. It looks like a city. Let's choose this other one here and try to change the background. You click on the background icon here. You can change it to any background of your choice. We have a lot of it here. You can pick any one you want and change the background. So let's see if we can change the background to a tropic paradise. Check it out. The background has changed. Wow. This is good. So we pick one of this image. So we can even use this option button here called subject to add some variation to our image. So we can even click on this stylish hat and wait for some seconds. So guys, look at what we have. Look at the result we have. This is really amazing. So we'll just click on this, select one of them. This is really powerful. You come over to this place and click the download button to download. So now guys, let's test the video option. GROK 4.1 claims to have better consistency and better audio. Let's test it and see. So guys, I'll drop in my prompts here. So just go ahead and click on this arrow. GROK 4.1 has really improved in character consistency, in body movements, and guys, our video is ready. Let's play it and see. Honestly, the speed in which this video was created is top notch. Even the paid version that we use is not fast like GROK. GROK AI 4.1 is a top notch. Like seriously, they've really improved on a lot of things. The sound, the images, they've really worked on them. You can testify to that. You can even hear the sound. It is AI generated audio matching with the video. Honestly, this is good. Aside from giving you this video, it gives you variation of images. We have different images that you can even make a video from it. So looking at it here, which one do you think we should choose? I think I should go for this. So I'll just click make a video. Once I click it, it will start generating a video for me. So I think our video is ready. We'll use this for the second scene. I'll use this for the second scene. Then we move down. So guys, we'll use this particular one for the third scene. I think the camera is facing them. You know, initially it was from the back, but now it's facing the front. So we just click on this make video and we just hold on for seconds. We'll have our video. One thing with GROK is that it's very fast, even in image creation. Guys, our video is ready. Let's play it and see. Don't forget, it is free for now. We don't know how long it will last. You can create more videos. Click on it. So I'll go ahead and select all the videos that I have, then head over to my CapCut to make a video. So this is how you can generate a consistent character using GROK. The video quality is okay. Even the speed. GROK 4.1 is really something else. It has come to change the video generation. For content creators and story writers, you can use this particular platform. It is free, like I said. This is another thing you can do using GROK. You can drop your image here. Click on this, upload a file. So I just uploaded this image. If you want, you can give it instruction to say something and it will generate, or you can just leave it in the hands of the AI to generate. You can just click make image and wait for it to generate.
How in your portrait? Let's dive into our next steps.
So another function that you can use GROK 4.1 to do is to draw a sketch. You click on this place. So we'll draw a house. Well, this is not bad actually. So I think I'm done drawing. Let's click on done. GROK is going to transform this house into a video. Let's watch and see. You can actually customize this video. So we'll ask GROK to customize the video to make it more realistic, add trees and other things around the house. Let's click on generate and see what it gives us. So we send it and wait. I think our video is ready, guys. Let's play it and see. So guys, from what we have here, GROK 4.1 is actually here to compete with other AI tools for real. So you can go ahead and download. Click on your download button. So guys, if you have joined us up to this moment, I believe this video has added a little value to the wealth of knowledge you have. Do well to subscribe, like and comment so that other people can benefit from this video. Thank you for now. Bye.